I'm so excited to share this recent thrift trip with you guys. I got to sneak off to the Goodwill for a couple hours with the girls, and we ended up having so much fun. I was able to find some truly beautiful home decor pieces.
This is really cute, and I do have a spot to go.
And everybody ended up leaving with something they were just really excited about. All right, let's get into it.
This day, sale colors were yellow and orange. Not that I'll be able to remember that. I usually end up running back to look if I don't remember to take a picture. I really didn't go in on a very specific mission. I was definitely feeling a little more creative and looking for some pieces that would just feel inspiring and could hopefully add some more charm, character into the spaces that I've already been working on. So many cute things here today. This cabinet is $30 and it's in really good condition. This will just be such a fun little entryway piece. Right away, so many cute furniture pieces. This little end table is solid wood. So cute. Do I have a place for it? I don't know, but it's really heavy. This mirror is really cool. It's huge. It's almost as tall as I am. It's $100. Very cool though. Guys, did I mess up leaving this one? All of the listings I pulled up were way over 100. Most of them were well over 1,000. I hate that feeling. This definitely could have been really cool in one of the rooms in our house. I guess we'll never know. I feel like this pattern color mirror is really neat. The mirror section is always so fun to me. A little bit of spray paint and rub and buff, and you can really end up with some quality, beautiful pieces that cost a fraction of what you would spend on a new one. $12, $12.99. Huge. Not really huge, just heavy. Super cute though. I don't know if I have anywhere exactly for it, but I really like it. Cute. This is $5.99. It definitely looks like it should have a lid. I don't know how I feel about it without a lid. It's really pretty.
Sorry.
Problem. Really cute. I'm not 100% sure, but honey pot. Why is that really cute? $3.99. This is super cute. $2.99. I don't know. I think we're gonna leave it, but it's really cute. I feel like I want to go check over here in the larger items. Planter. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I feel like $40 for that big of a pot is actually really good. Oh my gosh, I can barely lift it. Man, I kind of regret leaving this one. I just bought some rose bushes that would have worked beautifully in these. This floral lamp, it's kind of tall and unique, but I just think it's so pretty. I saw it here the other day, and honestly, I'm surprised somebody hasn't grabbed it, but I think it's so pretty. This Vera Bradley travel bag with wheels on it is really cute, and honestly, just a really good quality bag in good condition. I don't really see any issues with it. Oh, the only issue is the price. I don't think I want to pay $25. Maybe 10. It's really nice though. So I need somewhere secure for my drink, and I think this is gonna do the trick right now. Hey, we gotta work with what we got. Faith has already came by and dropped these shorts, some Wild Fable Target shorts into the cart. So I feel like these old crock pots, I think they're so fun and cute, but my mind just always kind of goes to like fire hazard. I don't know. It kind of scares me, but I think they're so cute. Ooh, those are really pretty. like there's a set. Corel, that was my guess. Those are so cute. Okay, so I actually saw these earlier on in the week and they were $6.99 each. Yes, but today yellow tag is on sale and I believe that makes it $1.50 a plate. I'm gonna double check, but how cute. Those are gonna definitely hop in the cart. Okay, so I don't know what the deal is, but it is way easier to find really cute salad plates than dinner plates. But really cute. $5.99. Definitely a quality piece. Let's just see what the brand is. Made in the USA. Eggshell Georgian. Homer Lachlan. I haven't heard of it. It's really pretty. We'll go ahead and add that. Not something I would usually pick up, but I'll explain to you guys why I grabbed this one in a little bit. When I see courier knives, it's always a yes. I put these right in the cart with plans of checking the prices later since the section was really busy. Because I definitely need more trinket boxes. Do I need it? No. Do I like it? Yes. Alright, third time's the charm. Let's see if they've lowered the price on this. It's yellow. Okay, we might be getting this one. These could make the cutest little herb planters for your kitchen. For 99 cents a piece, yeah. Those could be really fun. This is really neat. Looks like it might be old. Genuine alabaster. That is very cool. I feel like this is really cute, and I do have a spot it could go. It has one small imperfection, but I'm pretty sure I could take care of that no problem. And I've been wanting to bring more blue into our downstairs living area. How cute. For 10 bucks, this might come home with us. So I usually make one lap around quickly to see if there's anything just really exciting that pops out. And then I make a second lap where I look for things I might have missed or just something new that's came out because they're just constantly bringing out new things. So we're gonna go ahead and do our second lap. I haven't found anything for Hunter in a while, and I think he might need this. So cute. I would definitely appreciate a new toy. I don't know that he needs a new toy. $3.99? I don't think so. It's cute though. Just then, Faith popped up from around the corner with all of her clothing finds. How much is it?
Expensive brand.
I think the yellow was it 25% off or was it $1.50 total?
I'm not sure.
We'll check that. We're blocking the aisle, honey.
And then I found some Gymshark leggings.
Okay.
For $11.99, which is a great deal. I also found Gymshark shorts, which I have to try on because they might be too small.
Those look like a little small. Those are small.
But
okay.
To sell maybe.
What's that?
3 people.
Very nice.
Might be.
Are you gonna try it on?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it on. If not, maybe.
I mean, if you're wanting it to.
It's pretty cute though.
I don't know that we need to be buying a bunch of stuff for resale right now.
But I thought this one could be cute to try on. But this one was just to resell it. One day shorts.
Hold on to all your stuff, and then we'll just look at it together at the end. Yeah. Thing for me right there.
This.
Yeah. Thank handyman. That could be really cute for underneath soap dispensers or something in the kitchen. It says candle holder, but tapestry blanket caught my eye from around the corner, and I think the floral pattern's really cute on it. And these are just such a nice addition to layer in your space and add some pattern. It's really cute. It's kind of got this really pale blue background. I don't think you can really appreciate it on camera, but it's super cute. Let's see what they're asking. All right, $8. You know, I don't know. I don't know if I want to pay $8 for it. I feel like five to six would be good. It's really cute though. Okay, I feel like I need to think this one over and go ahead and just add it to the cart, because when I'm this indecisive, I usually end up leaving behind things that I regret. And so we're just gonna add it to the cart and think it over. I've definitely got some decisions to make here. How cute, what a great find today. And then how perfect is my little cup holder chilling here. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of this stuff that I found today. Sometimes it's easier just to throw things in the cart and then pull over to a quiet spot and make final decisions, because when it's busy and I don't really know, I just don't like having to make an on-the-spot decision. So we're gonna go ahead and go through this stuff and just see what is gonna come home and what's gonna stay. All right, so let's figure out what's gonna go home, what's gonna stay here. This I thought was so cool. It is an alabaster jar, I believe. Genuine alabaster. I feel like I'm gonna look that up. It says it was hand carved in Italy, and I just think that that is really cool. I've only ever heard of an alabaster jar reading in the Bible, and I actually really love that story. So pretty. I think we're gonna keep that. This, I am gonna reach out and see if my sister would like this. I saw her eyeing one earlier this morning at a different thrift store, and it wasn't quite as nice as this one. So I'm gonna see if she wants that, but it is really pretty. This I only grabbed because this horse, I actually saw a professional thrifter say that these type of little statues were really great items to pick up for resale, which I, as of right now, have not really got into resale. I am looking to start doing a little bit of it. And so I am gonna look this up and see what this sells for, but he is kind of fun. We're gonna check on him. So far, I don't think I've made any decisions. I need to figure, oh yeah, I did. We're keeping the alabaster jar. All right, so I really took my time and thought through each individual item. It probably took way too long. All right, it really wasn't that easy today. I did make my final selections, and I'm gonna go ahead and head to the cart. I'll head back home and show you guys everything I ended up keeping. All right, this floral tapestry blanket, I really went back and forth on whether or not I was gonna grab it because I wasn't thrilled with the $8 price tag, but all in all, I really like this. I'm super glad I got it. And when I price these online, I mean, you're easily gonna pay $40 to $50 for a new one. So $8 in comparison really isn't that bad. I actually am able to use this one in several places throughout our home, and I definitely can see myself using this for years to come. I'm so glad I ended up bringing this one home. How cute did this little blue table end up looking in our house? I just love the pop of blue. I've got a lot of neutral beige browns going on right now, and so at this point I'm really looking for those pops of color, and this is exactly that, and I really love it. Guys, I think I'm starting to develop a problem with trinket boxes. I have at least 5 on my dresser right now. At this point, I'm looking for places to put them. I might have to start gifting them. They're just so cute and I love them, and they are filled with things that I'm using, but there might be a limit and I might be near it, but how pretty are these boxes? The last item I'm going to share with you guys is this Currier and Ives plate. I just love it. I'm so happy I got this collection started. I've had a really easy time working it into multiple spaces in our home, and I think they're just so pretty. All right, that's it this time. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you next time.